Next, Mr. South Pilipinas, Masilo Zambales. Mr. South Pilipinas, Los Baños, Laguna. Mr. South Pilipinas, Nueva Ecija. Mr. South Pilipinas, Pampanga. Pilipinas, Davao City. Cooking, singing, playing online games, and swimming. That's Mr. South Pilipinas, Rizal Province. Mr. South Pilipinas, Laguna. Out the world and enjoying his own company because he values growth and peace of mind. Mr. South Pilipinas, South Pilipinas, Tarlac Province. Mr. People, jogging, traveling, exploring new cuisines, gaming, and modeling. Mr. South Pilipinas, Cabiao, Nueva Ecija.
I'm wearing Fenty, money spending, all I wanna do is
The violin and the piano. That's Mr. South Pilipinas, San Fernando, La Union.